Hello beautiful people, hello everyone, welcome back to my channel, welcome back to Crystal DIY. So in today's episode I want to be teaching you what I've been doing for ages now. I want to teach you how you can make your foaming booster with just 2 ingredients. You don't need 4 ingredients or 5 ingredients in making your foaming booster. This foaming booster has been helping me. This is how Crystal DIY has been making her foaming booster for ages. Yes, this is how I do it. So the first ingredients you need now is SLS. All of us know what SLS is. SLS reduces the surface tension of water, allowing it to mix more easily with oil and dirt. This results in the formation of stable, rich foam, which is often associated with effective cleansing in soap, shampoos, and other personal care products, and liquid soap and all that. So what I'm going to do now is to dissolve my SLS with warm water, either warm water or cold water, anyone you want, but using hot water or warm water to dissolve your SLS will kind of make it easier to dissolve faster. Yes, that is exactly what I did. Foaming SLS is a foaming agent, yes, and also is a foaming stability. It helps to stabilize the foam, making it last longer during use. This gives the soap a creamy lather and enhances the washing experience, and is cost effective. SLS is not that expensive and highly effective even at low concentration, making it a popular choice for commercial soap production. So the next ingredients here is sulfate. So this is the sodium sulfate that we are going to use in this aspect. So what I'm going to do now is to dissolve my sodium sulfate. It will act as a thickener in this. This sodium sulfate can help to adjust the thickness, which is the viscosity of the product. Do you understand? So we use it to thicken it up a bit. So if you're making your soap, for example, and there is sodium sulfate in your production, and when you introduce, have you noticed that? I think some of my students told me that someday, I think sometime last year, one of my students told me that she used SLS as a foaming booster, and what she used, because there is sodium sulfate in her production, then she had to, when she introduced her SLS, her soap and everything changed immediately. Do you understand? So that is why, because there is sodium sulfate in her production, and then she's introducing her SLS as a foaming booster, and this soap take another turn and all that in the part of making laundry soap. So this acts as a thickener to increase the viscosity. You can see how my own was lighter. You can use this sodium sulfate to thicken it a bit and store it. So if you want to see the measurement of this procedure, what you are going to do for me now is to watch this video to the end. I will drop the measurements of this to at the end of this video. Then are you seeing it? Are you seeing that it's thickening? So what you are going to do is to add more water to it to loosen it a bit. Do you understand? So all these things depends on how you want it. If you want it to be thicker, if you want it to be kind of not thicker and kind of watery, or not that kind of, the viscosity not to be that kind strong, you can add more water to loosen up the viscosity. So that is what I was doing here. So if you want to learn how to make laundry bar soap, skincare, hair care as a professional, we have classes for that. You can chat me on the WhatsApp number on the screen below, and then we talk more. Please don't fail to subscribe to this channel for you to be getting notification, and turn on the notification button for you to be getting notified whenever we drop new video. And like this video kind of is a way of encouraging me to make more videos, more educative videos for you guys. In this channel, is either you save money or you make money. We teach you how to make money, how to save money. Do you know how much foaming booster costs in the market? I don't use any other foaming booster. Yes, I think I've made foaming booster in this channel, but the one you will use caustic soda and the other ones for, yes, I think I have the video. I will drop the link of that kind of foaming booster in the description below. Yes, you can watch it. But this particular one, I have to be honest with you, this is what I've been using. This is the foaming booster that I've been using, and it has been working for me. If you're making your soap with, let's say you're making your soap with tallow oil, you know tallow oil is not that kind of foamy. Why making is the kind of oil, if you use it to make your soap will not lather very well. We all know that. Yes, so you need this foaming booster to make your soap to foam. Do you understand? Yes. So I'm going to drop the measurements at the end of this video, so make sure you watch this video to the end for you to get the measurement. Yes, please, if you haven't subscribed up to this point, if you want to register for our class professional, if you want to learn how to make soap as a professional, your laundry bar soap, your bathing soap, your skincare formulation, we have ebook for that and all that. We have it. Chat me on the WhatsApp. Chat me, don't call me on call, just chat me. I will respond to you as soon as I see your message and all that. So this is it. So I'm just showing you what the process I'm going through. If you want it to be this thick, you just leave it there. It will come out to be thick, and you store it in your bottle for your laundry soap, for your liquid soap, any one that you want to do. Do you understand? So this is foaming booster that have been working for me, and I'm here to teach you how you can do it. So thank you for watching. Thank you so much. I believe you've subscribed and you've liked my video and all that. Welcome to Crystal DIY. Thank you so much. Thank you. Bye. This is it.